Okay, so you are going to use the Pythagorean identity, which is this equation here. It's given to you in the problem. And if it's not given to you in the problem on the proficiency, I'll definitely write that on the board because you need that. Okay, so sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. You're going to be given one of those. In this problem, you're given the cosine. So keep in mind that even though it says sine squared theta, that is squaring sine theta. You're never going to see sine theta with the square outside because that would be squaring theta. That's how you write in trig where you square sine theta. So sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. You're given cosine theta. So let me change this to blue. So you're going to replace cosine theta, not cosine squared theta, just the cosine theta with negative 4/5. So sine squared theta plus cosine theta squared. So you're going to have negative 4/5 squared. You were squaring the negative 4/5 equals 1. So come over here to the side and make a little note. What is negative 4/5 squared? That is negative 4/5 times negative 4/5. In math, when you multiply fractions, you just multiply straight across. So first of all, what's a negative times a negative? It's a positive. What is 4 times 4? 16. What's 5 times 5? 25. So negative 4/5 squared is 16 over 25. So you are going to come over here and replace negative 4/5 squared with positive 16 over 25. Okay, so now we need to subtract 16 over 25 from 1. So again, come over here on the side and make a little note. What is 1 minus 16 over 25? That is 25 over 25 minus 16 over 25. And what is 25 minus 16? It's 9. So 9 over 25. So now we are going to have sine squared theta set equal to 9 over 25. Now we are trying to solve for sine theta, not sine squared theta. Okay, so I need to eliminate this square. How do I eliminate a square? I take the square root to eliminate a square. The square root of a square leaves you with sine theta, which is what we want. And what is the square root of 9 over 25? That would be positive negative 3/5. Positive negative 3/5. Okay, so you also have to use the note. Hold on, I'm going to have to start a second video. I'm not going to have enough time for this. Oh, I have a minute. Hold on. Okay, so you also have to use the note of quad 2. Remember, quad 2 is here. What are the sign of, or what is the sign of sine and cosine? Okay, so all students take calculus. In quadrant 2, that means that sine is positive and cosine, if it's not positive, it's negative. So that's right, our cosine is negative. So that tells us that sine theta is only positive. So sine theta is positive 3/5. We drop the negative because in quadrant 2, our x is negative, cosine is negative. Our y is positive, our sine is positive.